Yo. Hi chat. Hope you all have an amazing day. Let me get sorted. I believe we have news today for pound. So let me set up everything right. Alright. So where's my camera at? There you go. Alright. Hope you guys have an amazing day. 7:03 right now. News just came out, I believe. Yeah, pretty much overall. So let's just jump down onto our analysis, right? So on the weekly so far, we are coming down to for the week. On the weekly, right, the monthly coming down to the support right around here. We have 14 days left. Weekly gonna come down, and for the rest of the week, every week should come up. I would believe that a break below the weekly low would be required in order for us to come down. Now, the daily is better as well, right? The daily has range to come down. However, we haven't got a top wick yet. So news just came out and it's pushing down. 1 hour no bottom wick. Okay. So let's just mark our support for now, shall we? Our support is right around here. Our minor resistance for the most part is right around here. Let me just mark it real quick, right? And then we can change up as the session goes. So what's your major resistance right around here? The major resistance right up here though. Yeah, the major resistance right up here. So if you break above there, that's a range for you to go up. But however, we have range going down on a daily. The question is, where is your top wick? Your top wick most likely to be around this area, I believe. So if you can take advantage of that, that'd be good. I'm not saying that you can't take a sell down. I'm not saying I'm saying it has to make sense in each certain step and look left. And chat, see a trade yesterday, right? That we take a long going up. Look at what happened. So I've been seeing that the losses that over the past, and look at the play that is play out. It seems to me that my stop loss needs to be at a logical point, like a more logical point, because if I look left, this is clearly a support, right? So if you broke below here, right around here, you're gone though. And if you look left, if you broke below here, you're gone though, because there's a minor support right around here, right? Yeah, and yesterday the same analysis I was saying that we need to tap into 25.82 if we were to drive down, and I don't imagine that going to be any different today. Yeah. So if we can take advantage of, if we could take advantage of buy going up, that'd be amazing. Since we haven't got a daily top wick just yet, so let's see how the 1 hour candle opened up here. So there's a minor support right around here. Yeah, let's see how the 5 open up. It's closed back into the range here. That's why I was wary. Maybe wait until the 15 close here. So every time for you to drive up, where do you tap into here now? You did, and you come down here, tap here. Okay, you break all the low on the 1 hour. Come down, tap here, come up, tap around here, come up. Okay, that could very well be the level that we are looking at. Yeah, it tapped exactly well. Okay, 5 minutes closed. I probably would like to see the 15 close. On the 15 close, if the 15 close is expecting, and it come down first, create a bottom wick and then flat. Yeah, you bet your ass I'll be in there. For gold, I don't imagine gold will be tradable today, to be fair, just because right now, if we were to come down, we have range to come down. Now we are closed bearish, right, for the most part, but I would imagine that now if we close below, the only range we could coming down is this range. The weekly close bearish, I remember that. So it's monthly coming down to break the low. It has to break the low now. So if we were to come up today, I would imagine that we come down, break the low on the daily before we drive up. But however, if we're gonna break above the most recent, however, we've got to come up first and tap into this level onto our left, then my friend, looking like we are going to come down, flip down again. Because if you look, like every time we drive down, where do we tap into? We tap into here, we tap into here. Every time reject off of here, tap into here to come down. So for the most part, I would believe that 1997 will get tapped for gold, but however, there's no volume here because we are still basically in the same range yesterday. We're not broken out at all, so that's why I'm not really focusing on trading gold right now. So 5 back to the low. Yeah, you really want to see if it was to drive up here. You really want to see how the 15 open up, and if it was to drive up, I would believe that if it's open up coming up first, then you can take the sell going down, because understand that today, even you take a sell down at any point, you're not gonna come out it's a win-win for you, because overall We have range on the daily to drive down. The question is, where is the top wick though? Where's the top wick gonna be? A re-break of the high here should take you towards the next level. Yeah, re-break of the high, there's a minor resistance here. Okay, 15 close now. Let's see how it opens up here. I'm going to take a sell here. Could understand that if we should drive up today, a break on the wick, a break on the low on the 15 would require for us to drive down here, and break even would be right around here on the break with a low on the 5. All right, so there's a trade. Stop loss will be right up here at this candle high. Yeah, chat. So that's the only that's a play. Understand that the 5 just broke as high. The 15 opened up with a top wick. I would imagine that if you were to drive up, a wick fill would require us to come down and then before we drive up. If you come down and re-break the low here, you should be gone though. So now it's a break-even trade, right? I'm gonna close full here at 3 pips, I believe. Yeah, so that is a trade. Pretty quick, right? Yeah, it should just drive here. It should come down and break the low. There's no reason for it to not drive here. With the way the 15 open up. So now I don't really have any I don't really have any other ideas apart from wait until it's closed below this, then you have more range to play with. Because understand that the 1 hour has no top wick, right? So any given time, this thing can just still fly up here, for all I know, to create a top wick on the daily. There's a rebreak level on the 5. It should just drive here. I believe. There's a minor support along here. Yeah, now it's really hard because now the 15 just gonna come down and fill the wick, right? Now question is, what it's gonna do after it's filled the wick? I don't know. Is that gonna come up to create steeper top wick on a daily, or is that just gonna come down now? With the way the 30 minutes look, it has no top wick, so I would imagine you create a top wick and then you come down. It's a bit rough though. Now you don't really want to play this hand, because at any given time this thing can just still fly up for the 1 hour no bottom wick, right? Broke with the low. I believe the 4 hour also broke most of the lows as well. So what did you do last time you were here? That is the most recent price action I can see. So it reject off of here, right? And it come up to create a top wick before it come down. So I don't see why we wouldn't do that if we were to come down. The same thing happened here as well, come up, get a top wick. So that is why I was very, very worried. Because that when it break the low, yeah, it's can't come down. However, you got to keep in mind that the 15 no top wick, on a re-break of this high, it should just fly through here. The 30 minutes got 5 minutes left. So let's see how the 30 minutes kind of open up as well. because you have 10 pips advantage. Goes here and here. So go up or not go trade until NYC, honestly. Yeah, now you don't want to now you don't want to do a part tick here, because you want to wait for the 30-minute candle close. When the 30-minute candle close, you want to see how it opens as well, because the way it looks like we close expecting this level of support for the most part here. At the 15 end up closing like this, and at any point we can still drive down here for what I know, right? Since the daily is bearish overall. However, if I look left to see what we could be mirroring, this looks like it could be a similar mirror here. However, the last time you made a push up, you actually come all the way down here. So I do not know whether this is the push up or whether this is a push down to come all the way down here to grab liquidity, break all these low, and I think that also break the daily low as well. When it breaks the daily low, then it will have a liquidity to drive up. So that's why you got to be very cautious when you're going thinking about going by here, because overall it's very bearish, right?
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice.
So I see how the 15 and the 30 minutes kind of close here. And we see how the 30 minutes kind of open up as well, because for all I know the 4 hours broke all the lows here. If it does want to come down, it's going to come down, but I would imagine if we were to come down, I would imagine you want to create a top wick before you come down. However, if you look left, since you reject here for the most part, right, I believe that this could be the method that you do for you to drive down towards the daily low or even breaking it. We didn't even come all the way down here, break this yet. Let's say reject right off this, so I would imagine that would be similar, that'd be somewhat similar push as well, because that's what I was waiting, that it could be that move since the 1 hour no top wick, the 30 minutes, the 4 hours come down, break the low, the 30 minutes also no top wick, 15 come down over for the wick partially. However, looks like it's going to co-respect co-respecting and the support. So that's what I'm waiting of the sell going down. Let's see how the 30 minutes candle close here and open up as well. But we got the job done in literally 2 seconds, 2 minutes trade that was. But some days quicker, some days longer. I can't really control. What it is. So every week should come up here to break the high. Looks like that for gold we would require at least. You see how the 30 minutes candle close respecting here. Now it's very rough because like the next 30 minutes candle you can still go up first and then come down for the wick before you actually push up for the 1 hour. So you've got to be very careful here. Final top right. Buy above for me would be buy above this level now. I'm not gonna go in for this because any given time this thing can just still fly down without any confirmation of a closure above here. So with the way the 15 closed, this thing can just still fly up here for all I know. Yeah, so you have range towards here. No top work. 30 minutes no top work. Yeah, I wouldn't even go in here though, even though it closed above the most recent range here. Nah, I wouldn't even consider it. It should pop up towards this level 1996. And break the high on the daily and then come down. The fact that the 15 and the 30 no top wick, now that's rough. I can't do much. Yeah, worst case scenario, we call it a day, but for now, looks like the 30 minutes going to just come down and fill the rest of the range here. And the 1 hour is just going to fly down. What is the range from here to here? That's an 8-pip range.
month. My God, bro.
One to 15 break the low, it's gonna be pretty rough because you don't know what it's gonna do. You don't know whether the Fed is gonna flip or it's just gonna continue to drive down. Yeah, this is a pretty sticky situation to be in. Yeah, gold you need to break this high at least, but for us to break that high, I would imagine you come down first. Yeah, you're hovering around here, so four still in the range. I believe if we should drive up to grab liquidity all the way up here, to break to the high, what do we need? It's pretty tough for gold right now. If you're trading gold, because like, you need liquidity and volume, but you have none of that. Yeah, a break above this 1998 would be nice. But for us to break above there, I would imagine you need to come down, tap into this level, break below this level, and then come up. That'd be good. Yeah, right around this level is fine. Yeah, so now the 15 come down and break the low, right? Anything could happen here. This thing could just still fly up for all I know. For the 30 minutes has no top wick. And if we watch it come down, it still can come down. So you've got to be very careful if you're going for buy here. It's literally just a sell down. I think it just literally just drive here. There's a rebreak with a low. Now, are you gonna close below or are you gonna close your strike in here? If you close below, you have room to go continue to drive down here. And it's here closes below. If gold closed back into a range in 3 minutes here, we actually could have a buy opportunity. Understand that the 4 just broke the high, so like if you look left, every time we break back down we have range going on, and the 4 just broke the high. Understand that even if we should drive up today, I would imagine that a break below, a tap into this would probably needed. So yeah, wait for my call. Morning, Harry. How you doing, bro? It was the only 2-minute trade. Taking advantage of the volume coming down. How you doing, bro? got the job done early, so can't complain. I'm waiting for gold to close below 1993 here, because every time we close below we have traffic coming down, traffic coming down, traffic coming down for the most part, and then for us to drive up, I would believe that a break below on the floor and drive up. Yeah, drive up, you need to have right around here. Yeah, every time you drive up from here. Yeah, let's see how the 15 close here. If the 15 close respect in here, I'm not doing anything. Yeah, I'm not gonna be part of this. Oh, we actually take a sell down here. Closure below, right down here. Very nice. Expecting for us to come down and fill the range on the daily. And that would be our stop loss. Wait, stop loss be up here. Yeah, I'm expecting once you close below here, you should have clean traffic coming down towards this level. I know it's only like 4 pips range, but you should have clean traffic coming down. Shot at UK at 100. I'm looking at that in a bit. We have range driving down for the most part, because every time we close below here, we drive all the way down. I'm looking at this drive in relation. I'm looking at this drive in relation. So for the most part, yeah. UK 100, let's see it. Short. You could do it actually, the daily no bottom white. For I'll just literally shooting up here, no. Has no bottom wick either. Yeah, so this is a range you get in. Short here would be about sketchy, I would say, because I know first you go down, if you look left, 7606 need to get tapped first. Every time you come down, you come down here. Yeah, tap here, you come down. Tap here, you come down. So I would imagine that 7606 would be likely your area. you tap first before you come down. By the look of it, let's drop down to 1 hour. Let's see if it's cleaner. Yeah, you're right at this minus support right here. Short for me would be below this candle right here, because every time you come down, look at the closure below, come down. Yeah, because any given time you can still driving up. Any given time this thing can just still drive up towards 7606 for I know. Open could possibly do it. Yeah. The open of what candle though? Are you looking at the open of a 1 hour candle? If the open of a 1 hour candle, you would. If the open of the 1 hour candle coming down first, then yeah, that short would not be too bad. But understand that that's maybe just a bottom wick for it to drive up, right? However, if the open of the 1 hour candle is open up, like come up first, break the high, and then on the flip of the 1 hour candle, then yeah, that is a short you want to come in. However, it might be quite aggressive that. Alright, the other fly down. I'm expecting a clean drive down on GU here. Like, I'm not expecting anything less. Just purely because we have clean traffic coming down, looking left. So I'm expecting a clean traffic driving down. Because the 15 closed below, right? Every time the 15 closed below, we have clean traffic to drive down. The 1 hour might be closing pretty soon here, so that might be a problem. Right, can you re-break your low here and come down? If you re-break your low here, you should fly though. However, you only have 1 minute left. So, let's see. Yeah, every time you close below here though, you have clean traffic though. Because here you come all the way down here for the most part. There's a minor support right around here. Yeah, you come down for the most part. If this 5 end up coming down first and break the low, that'd be our break even point. However, if the 5 open up, break the high, we'd be fine, we'd be chilling. Yeah, I'm gonna close there because the 5 coming down first, right? You see the 5 coming down first, break the low, close there at the break even, come down, break the low, and any given time this 5 can just flip. And we right at the 4 minutes closure on the 1 hour. So any given time this thing can just fly back up for the 1 hour to leave the wick for the 1 hour to come down for the next hourly candle. So the next hourly candle question is, how are you gonna come down? Because now you have a slight small range left to play with. You see this 5 flip in a minute. Like, if it's come down and break the low first, you tend to see this 5 will flip like the last couple minutes of this 5. It will go down. Don't buy. No, I'm not buying, bro. don't worry. I'm not buying. I'm just waiting for the candle closure and hop on the train. I had a trade early on today already, so I'm not gonna force anything. 1 win and 1 break even. However, the reason I got out at the break even there, because if this 5 coming down and break the low first, and if it end up flipping here on the last 1 or 2 minutes, that's might be a problem. So that's why I'm just gonna get out there. The 1 hour gonna close in 2 minutes as well. Re-break of his own low. Yeah, so now it looks like it's just gonna come down here and tap 25.39 for most part, and that will be your daily low, right? Then from here on out, there's not really. This is the part where you don't want to hunt. This is the part where you want to stay out. But yeah, turn up for the trade. Just right. When news came out, I believe it was GDP. I didn't know how much volume would bring in for that folder, but we had enough volume for the most part. We caught that trade for 5 pips, so for the most part that's okay. I'm happy with that. Got the job done. It's about showing up every single day, right? So you see what I'm saying about the 5 here. So if this 5 flip and end up coming up, I would not be surprised. So that's why I got out there trade, and just they are seeing that it's gonna come down and break the low and then come up. Let's see UK 100. Yeah, you want to see how the 1 hour candle open here. Might be pretty tough to look for a trade with this one. However, a closure below 7587 would not be too bad, considering that would give you Alright, so it's open up, gonna break the high. Yep, this might be tough here, Harry, for you to go in first shot here, bro. With the way the 30 minutes candle opening though is break the high first, you could probably take a short sell here right now, I would say. But the way it's pushing, I'm saying 7606 is gonna get tapped first before you take off for a buy here. You see how I was saying the 5 minutes flip? It literally flipped the last minute right there. That's why I got out right there. So now the question is, the 1 hour come down now, open up, coming down, no top wick, breaking the low first, right? So if we can come down and then flip on a 1 hour, that'd be amazing. Because if you look left, we have no top wick on this candle, no top wick on this candle, right? Every time we come down, every time we come up, sorry, where do we grab liquidity from? If you look left, this is a level, and you tap in before you go up, right? Let's look a bit further. This is level you tap before you come up, right? So I wouldn't be surprised if we end up tapping 25.37 before the 1 hour end up flipping. With the way it's open up as well, so that's pretty nice. Yeah, for the most part, this thing just gonna drive all the way down to 25.39. Yes, sell right here, be nice. Sell right here at UK 100 is nice. Look at the 1 hour to flip. Look at the 30 minutes to flip. Breaking all the high on the 1 hour, breaking all the high on the 30 minutes. Maybe a little bit rough though, just because the 30 minutes hasn't flipped yet. So if you were to go short here, I would recommend the flip entry. If I was trading this, that's what I would do. I would take the flip at the 30 minutes if it should come down. And that will be the confirmation of this is a break of the high on a 1 hour and 30 minutes for it to come down, to create some kind of bottom wick on a 1 hour. But yeah, other than that, I would not go aggressive on this, because at any given time this thing can just still fly towards 7606. Yeah, looks like we just gonna fly. Look like we're just gonna fly up here. So we can come down on a 30 minutes and then break the low, and then on the flip, that'd be pretty nice too. Anyway, good luck, Harry. I hope you have a good rest of the trading day, bro. That's me for the day, I'll say, for the most part, because I would have traded a bit longer if I had time, but I need to adapt for going to uni. Today has been pretty quick because news came out. We took advantage of the volume of news that came out, and I literally got the trade in 2 minutes. Not gonna complain. Trade ended up, if I was leaving, it would be 14 pips, but I closed off at 3 pips. So it is what it is. It's more about the skill that I'm after, not the pips. But yeah, I'm gonna adapt off here. Hope you have a good rest of the trading day. Hope you have a good rest of the day. If you continue to trade, make sure you trade accordingly to your plan, right? Don't go in and do anything too crazy. Especially you got news later. I don't know if you trade the NYC's opening, and we have a couple of red folders later as well, so that will bring us a lot of volume. So there's that. But yeah, I'll catch you in tomorrow's stream. I'll be back here tomorrow anyway. So without further ado, I'm gonna end up off here. Yeah, see you, Harry.
Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the rail, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but I'm here. I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You trying to run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, knows my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all high like the birds and the bees. Everybody trying to stunt, let them know the focus up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I am with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I am licking emotions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. What you hiding from? You trying to run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see how you think you can fly past my wide wings. Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. In the doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can hate that I had a dice in my hand. Throw what I knew I was against what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks it, I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the climbers. Start from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough in this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's you. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar sweats trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real, how to clear the clouds, they disperse. Like when they flee and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the real, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but here I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the fuck is up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking emotions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I'll see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. What you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see how you think you can fly past my wide wings. Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. Ain't a doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can how you did, I had a dice in my hand. Doing what I knew I was against what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks it, I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the climbers. Start from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough in this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's true. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar swear it's trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real. How to clear the clouds, they disperse. Like when they flee and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the real, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but here I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the fuck is up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking emotions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I'll see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. What you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see how you think you can fly past my wide wings. Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. Ain't a doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can how you did, I had a dice in my hand. Doing what I knew I was against what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks it, I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the climbers. Start from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough in this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head. That's true. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar swear it's trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real. How to clear the clouds, they disperse. Like when they flee and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the real, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but here I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. It was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the fuck is up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking emotions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I'll see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. What you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see how you think you can fly past my wide wings. Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. In the doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can how you did it, had a dice in my hand. Doing what I knew I was against, what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks it, I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the climbers. Start from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough in this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head at you. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar swear it's trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real. How to clear the clouds, they disperse. Like when they flee and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the real, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but here I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. It was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the fuck is up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking emotions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I'll see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. What you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see how you think you can fly past my wide wings. Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. In the doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can how you did it, had a dice in my hand. Doing what I knew I was against, what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks it, I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the climbers. Start from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough in this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head at you. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar swear it's trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real. How to clear the clouds, they disperse. Like when they flee and when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the rail, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but I'm here. I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the fuck is up. I know everybody stuck to a certain degree. They all hide it, that ain't something I'm with. Always keep it 10 toes, and if I choke up, I'm licking emotions. Roll me to this paper, hey, I'll see you later. Shouldn't waste time with you goofies, but ooh, I fucking hate you. What you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, boy, you tripping like a blind man. You can't see how you think you can fly past my wide wings. Try to wriggle down with you, that's fine by me. Only drip you ever had when they provide IVs. Ain't a doctor, got my doctor in a life, little man. Asking like I care about the price, little man. It can how you did it, had a dice in my hand. Doing what I knew I was against what y'all saying. And over my head, the ones that's with me solid. Rocks it, I've been leaning on to keep me up and climbing. This is what the climb is. Word to Miley Cyrus. I will never change, I only grow. I hope you ride with me. Been too long, but I'm finally sick of giving just a single fuck about anybody that's not with me. Yeah, I don't really got time for your bitch ass trying to just use your fame to deceive their minds like you care about the climbers. Start from my closest friends. Don't believe it, I'm fine, but I see what you enough in this. I shake my head, I'm shaking my fucking head at you. I'm too different, my vision give me the best skill. Album hits every single feeling you can't feel. Only fakes, every bar swear it's trash. They all want me to collab, but you're not worth it to me, man. Why would I give a verse when I body your work? I don't wanna start beef, but I'm sick of people mad cause I won't give a verse. It's how I feel, I keep it real. How to clear the clouds, they disperse. Like when they fleeing, when they see me, you gon' bow and call me sir, yeah. Bitch. Look, hey, why do I know that my time coming up? Out of my mind, on my time ain't enough. Stayed on my grind many times, I was stuck. Had to wax the rail, rip betray out like I'm young, cause I am in the scenes I got. Little more to give y'all than the people I'm not. Step foot in the game, young lives change, Hate them more cause I'm up and I don't even fly like, but I'm here. I see rappers lying, dark roads, high things. I know they hiding, but what you hiding from? You tryna run, you know I'm about to grill your ass. Hey, look, know it's my time, you must not rise. You was on my time when I ride in the beat. Manipulate time like you do with they minds. I'm sick and tired of the lies that you preach. Only up I climb, I'ma leave y'all down. I can show y'all how like the birds and the bees. Everybody tryna stunt like they know the fuck is up. I know everybody stuck.